Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a strawberry watermelon smoothie with collagen. This easy smoothie recipe is basically an all-fruit smoothie with the addition of collagen. And my favorite kind of smoothies are all-fruit smoothies because I think they taste like a delicious fruity drink and almost like candy. But I love adding in nutrients to them like collagen or bone broth or other things that make them just a little bit healthier and the perfect indulgence. So I'm adding organic grass-fed collagen to this strawberry watermelon smoothie today, and it's going to add 7 grams of protein to this all-fruit smoothie. So let me show you guys how to make it. First, we're adding our frozen mango into the blender. And now I'm using mango because this is what's gonna make this all-fruit smoothie super creamy. So you can use banana in place of mango if you prefer. Banana and mango are both fruits that will give smoothies like a thicker consistency, so you can swap that out if you want. Next, we're gonna add in our frozen strawberries. Now we're gonna cut our watermelon. And now you can use fresh or frozen watermelon, either works. I just have a fresh one today, so I'm using that. If you guys are getting watermelon towards the end of the season and it's not as great, it's a good thing to freeze and use in smoothies like this. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of collagen. And then last, we're gonna add our liquid. And now you guys can use regular milk. I'm using coconut milk today because I feel like this is like a tropical vibe smoothie. You guys could even use water if you want, but if you want a thicker smoothie, I definitely recommend using milk. And now we have a perfectly pastel pink tropical smoothie. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, so good, so tropical. I love it.